1,000 subscribers. Thank you to everyone subscribing to the channel, anyone who's commented, or even just passing through watching some of the videos. I really appreciate everything you've done. 6 months ago I uploaded my first video, and it was to help teachers living in Korea with some basic Korean expressions, and also Korean you can use in the classroom, you know, just some things I picked up. But my purpose behind the channel is to talk about education and pedagogy, because I feel like it's something that we struggle to find information on. There are many books on it and lots of research, but it's difficult to find teachers just talking about their ideas and express their feelings. So I took it upon myself to start this channel and create some content on teaching. Summer's officially over in Korea. This was just Chuseok weekend, which is like the start of autumn. It's probably the last time you're going to see me with a shirt outside. And I've got some exciting news. Next week it's the Rugby World Cup. This has nothing to do with teaching, but I really want to share my experience there too. So you can, next week I'll do some live broadcasts from Japan. That's where the Rugby World Cup will be held. I'm going to watch one of the biggest games, South Africa against the All Blacks, New Zealand, and it's just going to be such an exciting event, and I want to share that. So except for next weekend doing a live stream about rugby, the rest of this channel will be dedicated to teaching and helping educators. So how does this milestone, how does it affect the content I'm going to put out? Well, I feel now that I've reached 1,000 subscribers, I need to push a little bit harder. I've been kind of lax, a video a week, and I think you deserve more. I need to do better, I need to work harder. So I've been working hard on creating more content. I'm going to do 2 videos a week. It'll focus on education and also teaching English abroad. Everything that I've got a little bit of knowledge on, or that I can help you with. If you want to share something, or you want me to do a video on something, please let me know, and I'll do my best to help you with that. So yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully there's some information you can use and some ideas and techniques to improve your classroom. If you're an English student, I'll also add some videos about learning English and how to be the best possible student you can be. Yeah, everyone, once again, thank you so much. I appreciate everything, and I'll do my best. I think I'll put in some hard work and create some exciting content. Have a fantastic day, and enjoy your week. To celebrate getting 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to that Vietnamese po place over there and have a nice Sunday dinner before class starts tomorrow.